How to leave a group in Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Facebook. And once you do that, navigate to the group that you want to leave. I'm going to choose a random one. Say for example this group right here. Now once you are on the group, under the group name right here, you will see that this button, it has a drop down and it says joined. So click on it, and once you do that, you will get this menu list right here in which you want to click on leave group. And once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to do that, and give you some stuff. You can read them and go through them. That tells you what will happen when you do that. Click leave a group to confirm, and as soon as you do that, you will see that you have left the group. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can leave groups on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.